So hi, I'm Christoph from Boris. I'm a product specialist, and we're here at the Dell booth, and I'm showing off our entire product range, and we're using the power of the Dell workstation to show off our AI-powered tools. And we've got some great image segmentation inside of Boris Effect Silhouette, which I would like to show to you. So let me quickly bring in some footage here, and let me show you how easy it is to separate this talent from the background. So usually this would be quite a hard job because the skin color and the background color are exactly the same, but we're gonna do a 3-step process to generate quite a nice mask out for this. So let's connect this up. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just quickly define a reference frame. Very easy, just by clicking into the image. The machine learning model will load into the graphics card. Once that's done, I'm gonna define a shape. I'm gonna give it an additional reference, just like that. And that's that. Now, I only defined 2 reference frames, but we want to have a propagate through the entire range. So for that, I'm gonna call up another node called Met Assist. Gonna hook that up, nice and easy. Model is loading. And there we go. So here we are, and we get our usual matte, which would be good for a slab comp, but we want to take this to the next level. This should really have more detail, and we want to have the fine granular detail of the hair. So for that, and that's the nice thing about this, working in a node-based environment, we actually can build this up as the shot needs. So I'm gonna load up the matte refine model, which will give me all the nice hair detail here. I've got different models to choose from, so I'm gonna choose one which is best for temporal consistency, and that gives me quite a nice matte of that talent, which I could then augment with traditional tools, other ML tools, and to really bring this across the finish line. So if we take a look, we now get a pretty decent separation between foreground and background. So, of course, as with all ML power tools, this works better on some shots than on others, but it shows you how far this can go, how far you can take this. If you want to have a more in-depth look, please visit our website at boriseffects.com, where we've got loads of tutorials showcasing cases like this. And once again, thanks to Dell for having us at the booth.